Today we're covering how to clean a dishwasher filter. Whether you've got a funky smell to deal with, or you're just keeping up with regular maintenance, cleaning a dishwasher filter is a simple appliance maintenance task that could save you from stinky, dirty dishes down the line. Here's what you'll need. Before you start, you'll need to locate your dishwasher's filter. It's usually located in the bottom of the dishwasher, under the lower spray arm, or in a back corner. You'll find either a plastic grid or a tube that snaps or screws in. Some newer dishwashers have a second filter, so be sure to remove and clean both. Luckily, the dishwasher filter cleaning process is the same no matter what type you have. Some filters require tools to remove, but most just twist or pull out. If you're having trouble seeing how to remove it, use a flashlight to look for directional arrows. If your dishwasher has a second filter, you can lift it right out after removing the first one. Now it's time to give your dishwasher filter a thorough cleaning. Fair warning if you haven't done this in a while, or ever. It could be pretty dirty. Here we go! First, remove any pieces of food or trash. We recommend wearing gloves for this part if you're squeamish. Next, mix warm water and dish detergent in a sink or bowl. Soak the filter for a few minutes to break down buildup. And finally, use a brush or sponge to scrub the filter and remove any remaining debris and set the filter out to air dry. While your filter is drying, use a cleaning cloth to wipe down the basin of your dishwasher. This simple dishwasher maintenance task will help keep it from getting clogged again too quickly. Now that you've cleaned the filter and wiped down the tub, replace the filter in its compartment. If your dishwasher has two filters, don't forget to put them both back. You did it! Now it's time to sit back and enjoy a fresh-smelling dishwasher and get those dishes sparkling clean again. We'll see you next time.